This is a flowchart of the machinery used to produce steel pipes. This production line can be used to produce round tubes, square tubes, and irregular-shaped tubes. Various metal pipes, including iron pipes, steel pipes, galvanized pipes, and aluminum pipes, can be customized. First, the steel coil is placed into the uncoiler for uncoiling. Then comes the shearing and welding process, where the machine cuts or welds the steel strips together. The steel strip then enters the horizontal looping via the clamping device. As a buffer device for strip steel, it solves the material supply problem when welding. Then it enters the molding machine main unit. Here, the machine uses forming rollers to coil steel strips into tube blanks. After molding is completed, the welding process begins. Rapid welding using high-frequency welding technology. Remove burrs after welding. The steel pipe is then cooled by a cooling water tank. Then the steel pipe enters the sizing machine. The welded pipe, after being irregularly shaped, is adjusted to a standard round shape using sizing round hole rollers. Then the steel pipe enters the cutting system. The cutting machine cuts the steel pipe to the specified dimensions according to requirements. Finally, the cut steel pipes are conveyed to the palletizing and packaging area. The palletizer completes the stacking of steel pipes. Finally, the baling machine packages the steel pipes. This is a demonstration of the steel pipe production process. If you need a tube mill, please feel free to contact us.